How to log out all devices on Telegram. So if you logged in your Telegram on PC or other devices, maybe your iPhone, your Android, and you want to log out your Telegram across all devices while you maintain the Telegram on a single device, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, to log out Telegram on all devices, including your PC, to log out all sessions, just go ahead and click on the Telegram app to open it. Go to your profile page by clicking on settings on iPhone or by clicking on profile on Android. While on the settings page, the next thing you want to do is locate devices and then click on it. Here you can see link to device. Then I have this Telegram app logged in on my iPhone. Then here are all active sessions. I have it active on my Samsung Galaxy 54 and then on my web browser. Now, to log out all section on my Telegram or log out all devices, or you just need to terminate other sessions. Once you click on terminate other sessions, you see, are you sure you want to terminate all other sessions? Then go ahead and click on terminate all other sessions. Then you see your Telegram account logged out on all other devices except your current device. So this is going to log out Telegram on my Android or my PC. So if you are doing this on PC, it's going to log out Telegram on all other devices that have access to your Telegram account like iPhone or Android. So that is basically how to log out other devices on Telegram. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.